loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. I do also have a code so that you can use that if you're a new user to Temu or you're reinstated your Temu app. I also have the links below in the description if you want to become part of the affiliate. So let's go ahead and let's go check out what I bought. Okay, this haul has Christmas and some of the little things of Halloween. I live Halloween, so I usually buy all year round, so that's no biggie for me. And plus right now Temu is having quite a bit of sales on their Halloween stuff, and I know as a year after Halloween it gets a little harder to find stuff, so this is a great time to go ahead and buy your Halloween. But the first thing I have here are some Halloween nails. I've already posted other videos with nails. I do like these. They're good temporary nails to use so that if you go out and whatnot. That's that one, and this is a pink flag. Let me show you this one. And these ones are like press-on, so they come with little sticky tabs, and they do come with nail file. So look at that. So these are real cute. I love that. So I got those. I think I got another pair. Yeah, I did get some Christmas ones. I saw this, I was like, oh, OMG, too cute. Look at that. Look at all the cuteness of that. So this is a turquoise and peppermint candy type nails. I like this. I found that the ones in the boxes usually stay on longer. So I don't know if the glue that the tabs are a little different, but they do stay on a little longer than these ones. But either or, if you want them to stay long, you should add some glue to the nail. But they are really nice. So I got those ones. I got this cutie patootie paper cardstock, and now a few hauls ago I did another one which had like Halloween type stuff, and I loved it. So I went ahead and looked for a Christmas one, and I found this one. Look at that. And this is, it's a good it's like a postcard type. I got this one. Look at this one. And these are real nice. I do like these. Those. How cute are these? These are really good to use in either a journal, good card fronts. Look at that. And like I said, the thickness is real good on these. This one. These are nice cuties. Like that one. And this one does have a gloss finish, so it's not just a cardstock. Look at the Santa. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. The doggy. He almost looks like my little Chico. You got this one. Look at the cutie. You got the Santa. Another Santa. Those are real nice. The present, and then you got a little girl. So yeah, those are, I really like those cardstocks. Another thing I hauled, I saw this pendant was a brooch. Yeah, look at that. I thought that was super pretty. I use these, I take the backs off of these, and then I use them on beadable pins. So I could DIY a beadable pin. So I also got that one. That's what I have in mind for that. I do have some ghosty charms. And you do get 6 of them. Look at those. You get little ghosties with the witch's hat. I got those. I also got some snowman acrylics. Look at these. These are real awesome. Look at that. And it does got a little shine to it. And it is a pendant, so you could put it as a dangle. And it is thick. So real nice. Love those. Love those cuties. Which actually is supposed to get cold here soon, so. And then the next thing I hauled are some stickers. I do like the stickers. Some of the shops, they bring it into this little, something like a felt paper bag type of thingy, so it doesn't get damaged. But this ones are Christmas. That one. These were the Christmas window themes. Now I like using these kind of stickers on ATC cards. That cute. That one. Yeah, all of these are little window sills. That. I love it. Look at that one. A candy one. That one. Wonder if you get doubles. Might be doubles. But yeah, so you get those. That. Those. I really do like these. And you usually get around 50 of them. Those. So I got those Christmas stickers. I also hauled another Halloween one. Now I do love pink. So this one you do get your little sticky tabs and you do get a nail file. But look at those. I got those. Like I said, I will wear these even during summer or winter, don't matter to me. So I got those. And then I got from my favorite acrylic shop, because I do like the container it comes in. And these were some Christmas trees. The dog's Christmas tree. I thought these would be really cute. Oop. And these are also pendants. Actually, this one's broken. Let's see the others. No, that one's fine. Yeah, they drilled the hole wrong on that one. But yeah, so these are pendants. And they're pretty thick. Oh yeah, so you gotta watch out, because look, some of them were drilled wrong on the star. So I got one good one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 3 of them were banned, but they're still cute. I just might have to get a refund on that. I got those. And then I did get some other ones. I got some gingerbread, some cute gingies. Look at these. And these are stacked up. And they also have the hole. That. And all the acrylics, they do have like a sticky film you remove so that they have it on there so it doesn't get scratched up. I got those. I hauled some focals. I thought these would be awesome. Look at that. How cute are those? And these ones are actually a good size. Some of them I've noticed from Temu are getting smaller, but this one's actually pretty good. Is what the elf. Look at that. Look at those. And then I saw these beads. Like, these were awesome. Really, the heart shape. You do have like the Santa. Merry Christmas, and the hole is big. So let me see a pokey tool. Yeah, it does fit on the pokey, and you still got a lot of space back there. So this one got like the plaid. So yeah, you got a variety. So that one was another one. I really like these. Okay, so the next thing I want, and I do have hotel keychains. And so I got these for that. Let me get a paper. Okay, so I got the cuckoo one. She's my favorite. Her and Melanie. I like all of them, but Cuckoo's my favorite because her personality is just like mine. She's feisty, yet you don't mess around. Well, look at that. How pretty is that? And like I said, these go on the hotel keychain. That's what I got it for, but you could use it for other stuff also, not just for that. So I got that one. Next one I have is the Sanrio, and this is all of them. And this is actual Christmas theme. Look at that. Look at all the cuteness. So I really like these. So I got those ones. And then the last thing I bought is this thread. I bought some others, but I needed the blue one. And it's just like a regular shimmering thread that you can use. So I'm using that on embellishments. But yeah, that is my small haul that I want to share with you today. I'll have all the links of everything that's available down below. And yeah, I think my favorite item is these cards. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite. I'll have all the links to the Temu code, the affiliate if you want to become a part of the affiliate. Yeah, give it a thumbs up and let me know that you like the video. Do subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.